Hey there, future Office pros. Welcome to Microsoft Office, the comprehensive all in one training course. Whether you're a student trying to ace your assignments or someone looking to boost your productivity at work, you've come to the right place. In this course, I'm going to be your guide through the fantastic world of Microsoft Office. By the end of it, you'll be a wizard at Word, an expert at Excel, a powerhouse at PowerPoint, a note-taking ninja with OneNote, and an absolute ace with Access. Let's start with Microsoft Word. Have you ever struggled with formatting a document or making your essays look professional? I'll show you all the tips and tricks to make your documents not only look good, but also be more functional. From basic text editing to advanced features like mail merge and macros, you'll master it all. Next up, Excel. Spreadsheets can be intimidating, but don't worry, I've got you covered. You'll learn everything from simple calculations to complex data analysis. Imagine being able to create stunning charts, pivot tables, and even automate tasks with VBA. Sounds exciting, right? Then we have PowerPoint. Say goodbye to boring presentations. I'll teach you how to create visually appealing slides that will captivate your audience. From design principles to animation and transitions, you'll have the skills to make your presentation stand out. Moving on to OneNote. This is your digital notebook, perfect for organizing your study notes, research, and even planning projects. I'll show you how to make the most out of this versatile tool so you can keep all your thoughts and ideas in one place. Last but not least, Access. If you've ever wanted to understand databases but found them too complicated, this section is for you. I'll break down the basics and guide you through creating and managing databases, making it simple and straightforward. Throughout this course, you'll find hands-on exercises, real-world examples, and practical projects to help you apply what you've learned. By the end, you'll not only have a deeper understanding of Microsoft Office, but you'll also have the confidence to use these tools effectively in your daily life. So, are you ready to become a Microsoft Office Pro? Let's dive in and get started. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and this is your first step towards mastering Microsoft Office. Let's go.